Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively study for your Business IGCSE Paper 2. First, let's understand the paper's structure. Paper 2 typically features 4 questions, each worth 25 marks, totaling 100 marks. You'll have 1 hour and 45 minutes to complete it, so time management is crucial. Focus on understanding the command words like explain or evaluate to tailor your responses precisely. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success. Next, let's talk about content mastery and application. Ensure you have a solid grasp of all syllabus topics, from marketing to finance. Don't just memorize definitions, understand how they apply in real-world business contexts. Practice using case studies to analyze situations and propose solutions. Higher mark questions often require you to evaluate different options, so hone those critical thinking skills. This approach moves beyond rote learning. Now, let's discuss the power of practice and refining your exam technique. Completing past papers under timed conditions is essential. Aim for at least 5 full papers. This helps you manage your time effectively and get comfortable with the pressure. Always review the examiner reports to understand what top-scoring answers look like and avoid common pitfalls. Pay close attention to structuring your responses logically, using appropriate business terms throughout your explanations. Finally, let's cover effective revision strategies and some last-minute tips. Condense your notes into manageable summaries or flashcards for efficient review. Utilize active recall techniques, like quizzing yourself, and spaced repetition to solidify your understanding over time. Remember to take regular breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout. On exam day, ensure you're well-rested and approach the paper with confidence. You've prepared thoroughly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.